Hello there.
Hi.
Today we're going to make Kyle's favorite meal, maybe. Homemade SpaghettiOs. Homemade SpaghettiOs.
Well, they'll be much tastier than the kind that come in the can.
Probably.
So we're doing this video to show you some pasta meal that you can make for your kids or your grandkids.
We found this Analetti number 22. Little spaghetti rings. Cremoluzzi macaroni product. Analetti. Is that how you say that? Say that?
I think so.
Anyway, go around like SpaghettiOs.
All right, so we got the pasta. We got some regular sauce that you might have.
Mini meatballs. I bet these are bigger than SpaghettiO meatballs though.
Oh, they're pretty small.
Frozen.
Yeah, these are frozen. So we make a very simple meal here. We already started boiling the water. Rick's gonna pour the pasta rings into the water.
I can do that. I'm a chef.
And I'm gonna take the frozen mini meatballs here.
Put them in the pan.
Since they're already cooked, all we have to do is get them heated up. Now this is a value size bag. We don't need all of them, but I'm gonna pour these into.
Use this whole pound, right?
Yeah, use the whole pound. Now look at those mini meatballs.
They're bigger than SpaghettiO meatballs.
So I'm going to add a little bit of water to get them started. And after they get warmed up a little bit, we'll pour in the sauce and we'll strain the O's.
That's going to be pretty quick and easy, huh?
Yeah, and then I'll tell you a little fun twist that we can add to this, right?
Hey, it's been a while, but we're back.
We're back.
We're busy. You know, we have our other channels,
Yeah,
but we think about you all the time.
yes we do. So
And keep passing the word.
as the summer goes by, we have some good recipes in mind. Let's get this on the stove.
There it is. Get it burling. Time to add the O's. In they go. 1 pound. What you got over there?
You heard
Salsa?
the sauce. Check the meatballs. See, they're cooking in the small amount of water that I added to the pan to get them going.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna add a jar of sauce. Stir that in.
Stir it up.
And we'll let that simmer while the O's are cooking.
Ooh, a double.
Oh, the kids are gonna like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, couple minutes, right?
Right, couple minutes, that's all it takes.
Keep stirring it. Keep your eye on it. Looks good.
All right, now look at these O's.
Oh,
They're just perfect. So, Rick, do you want to strain them and pour them back in this pan?
sweetly.
And I'll get the meatballs ready.
Stunt strainer.
In the meantime, we'll have the meatballs cooked nicely
Want
in
the
the
heat on,
sauce. Turn all the heat's off now.
It's SpaghettiOs. No.
This back on.
My favorite dessert. It's
Now look how quickly we can make this all come together.
Want a Limburger in there?
No, thank you. Check the Limburger video that Rick's putting on. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
You won't believe what he ate. All right, now look how we can turn this in. So simple.
I think it's done, huh?
It's perfect.
See how easy that was?
You know, this is also, if your kids are at an age that you're teaching them to cook a little bit, this is a fun meal for them to make too if you show them what to do and keep them safe.
We're gonna let it cool a little bit to keep it
Yeah,
safe.
let's put it in our bowls. I'm going to go over to the table, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to bring it to the table in this pot. Just serve some into the bowls and let it start to cool off because I know how Rick is. He'll take a big bite of this. So I just want to get some in the bowls. Look how nice. Just the right amount of sauce. This doesn't look like anything that comes out of the can, does it? And then we're going to slide this aside and add some cheese. I'm just going to use some regular Parmesan Romano.
Sprinkle cheese.
Well, Rick calls it sprinkle cheese. It's a good name. Now we'll let that cool off a little bit. In the meantime, come on over and we'll show them our other little surprise.
Ice cream? What is it?
Well, if you're doing something special for the kids with the pasta, we have this book that we found, Straganona.
No, not like grandma?
Yeah, it's Grandma Witch is what it means.
Really?
Yeah, and it's a book that's been around for 40 years by an author, Tommy DePaola, and he writes a lot of kids' books and some that are very famous.
Hi, Tommy.
And he illustrates his books into really nice, fun pictures. So, anyway, it's a nice story.
Is that where you got the recipe?
No, but I had the idea that you make a special meal for the kids one day about pasta, and this is a great story to read to them and show them the pictures as you go. And it's about a grandma witch who helps the town with her magic and her potions and everything. But in the meantime, she has this endless spaghetti pot, and that's how it becomes a pasta perfect book. In the spaghetti pot, she cooks for one of her favorite kids, and and she asked him to watch over her house and her garden while she's gone on a little trip, and he gave the special words to the endless pasta pot, and he ended up in real trouble in the town, and it's a really fun story.
Now you ruined it.
No, it's not ruined. I won't tell you anymore.
What's the special word?
Anyway, we'll put the link to this book in our description, right?
Mm-hmm. Will you read it to me while I go to sleep?
Sure. I'll be glad to. I'll read it to you while you're eating your SpaghettiOs. So, just wanted to tell you about that, because sometimes there's ways to make an occasion really special, right?
Yeah, I don't know about tasting this yet.
Ooh, no, it's
But it sure is good. You got more than me.
Ooh, it's too hot yet.
Yeah, too hot.
We'll let it sit here for a little bit.
I want to.
Yeah, just wait.
It's okay now?
Yeah. This is a cute book, huh?
Mm-hmm. I'll let you know after you read it to me.
Yep, we'll do that later.
Cute book. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Try meatball too.
I did.
Yeah,
Tastes like SpaghettiOs, but better.
a lot better.
Thicker and a better taste.
Very nice. Cheesy as you want it to be.
It doesn't taste canned, it tastes homemade.
Right. Okay, make that for the kids. Even the big kids
Or for me.
you might have around.
Could even sprinkle some mozzarella on here. Melt it up. Change it how you like it. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends. Pass the word. Please subscribe.
See you soon.
Bye. We're gonna have some leftovers too. Huh?